Hi guys, welcome back to another video of A&A Driving School. We are going to cover another driving test route today from Huddersfield Test Centre, so please follow. A quick request to all of you, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon button so that you get the notifications as soon as I upload a new video. So we are going to drive out of the car park. As you've seen in my previous videos, we are going to turn right from these green gates. Make sure when you approach these green gates you look both ways and drive out of the car park. At the end we are going to turn left, so check mirror signal left. Turn left again at the junction